So I have two, not necessarily complaints, but issues with these Harbour Freight angle grinders. For the most part, they work great. However, two issues. One, this breaks. So this is the little lock button for locking it to pull the blades off, or the discs off. The second issue is I at least with cutting wheels, if you've been using it for a bit, and you can see I've been using this one a bit, then this gets just ridiculously tight, which is good that it's not falling off, but it's annoying that it gets tight. And it gets so tight that the little spanner wrench that comes with it doesn't have, I just can't for the life of me get the thing to move. So we're going to add some torque. So there's the little spanner wrench that comes with it, and I just took a length of steel stock that I had, and I'm just going to weld it right on there. Give it a good weld and see if that'll give us enough extra torque to be able to loosen the darn thing. Well, they are not pretty welds, but they are welds, and that will stick. So I went from a 6-inch long bar to I don't know, 2.5 foot long bar. Let's see if this works a little better. Alright, here we go. Oh man, ouch. Ooh, I didn't think that through. There we go. Hey, the welds are still hot. I got a little too close to my hands there. Okay. Oh man. Oh, jeez. This is just insane how hard this sticks. Okay, here we go again. Okay. I gotta turn the wrench here. See, this is the only issue with these angle grinders, is getting the darn things apart. It's darn near impossible. Maybe if I set it this way. Oh! See, now this wrench is my limiting factor on torque. Gosh. Maybe if I try switching hands here. Okay. Oh! Ha! Look at that. I bent the stinking wrench. What the heck? How about biscuit? Well, my welds are sticking, so that's something. There. Man, what a fiasco. I think, before I put this back together, well, God, now I'll throw the balance off. What I want to do is just grind a little flat and a little flat on both sides of that. That's what I want to do, so that I can just get it with a wrench. Just take my big socket wrench and get it. I don't know, how bad would that throw off the balance? I guess I've got another one, and they're only 20 bucks. No, I'm not going to do it this time, but eventually I might try that. Let me know, what do you think? If I grind if I grind this flat and I grind that flat, and I do the same on here, I grind flat and flat, so that I can just get two big crescent wrenches on there, is that going to mess it up? Or would I be better off just getting a big nut that's the right thread. I don't know. Let me know what you think. But I guess what we needed to have happen happened. Right? We drastically improved the torque on here. So now we can finish grinding or cutting.